Right. So here the equation possesses many modulus are there. What we know is mod x plus mod y is greater than mod of x plus y. And mod of minus x is mod x. After careful observation, here 2ax, here ax, here ax. I just write it as is mod of 5 minus ax. I'll write ax minus 5 by using this property, which is greater than here also I will change it by using same property. Yes, get cancel, which is greater than 1, but equal to half. LHS is greater than 1. So obviously it can't be halved. So there is no real solution for any A belongs to R. So the curve for which slope of tangent at any point is equal to abscissa and ordinate y dy is y square by 2 is so y square minus x square is 2, which is rectangular hyperbola. Here value of k, one root x is 2, other is less than 2. X square coefficient is positive. It will be concave downwards. So f of 2 will be definitely negative. That is here 4 minus k plus 1 into 2 plus k square plus k minus 8 minus 2k 4 minus 2 2 minus 8 plus k square minus 2k minus 2 k minus 8 plus 4. Minus 8 plus 4 minus 4 minus 2. Okay. K minus 3 into k lies between minus 2 and 3. At the same time, discriminant must be positive. That is k plus 1 whole square minus positive here minus 3k square 2k minus 4k 1 plus 48 32 plus 1 33 greater than 0. K square plus 2k minus 11 less than 0. So here for this, if you find roots, those roots are, even you put a 0 here, negative 2, 4 plus 8 minus 11, then 0. Even if you put negative, so the common part is third option. Here it is let us say this integral as 1 by 9 to 9, 1 by x cosecant 55. So careful observation, you replace x with 1 by y. Dx is minus 1 by y square dy. And x is 1 by 1, 1 by 9, y will be 9. Here you get 1 by 9. Cosecant power 55, 1 by y minus y. This get cancelled. Here minus is there, I will write. Cosecant minus theta is minus cosecant theta, which is, if I change the limits, even if I change variable, because I use two properties here, minus b to a fx dx and a to b f of minus x dx is a to b fx dx. This one is equal to minus I plus I. Here is a point on the curve which is nearest to this line. Nearest means, so along the common normal, nearest is possible. Here at this point, if you differentiate the curve, y dash, so y dash is at which point x naught comma y naught. That must be equal to slope of this line. X naught is, here it is x naught y naught lies on curve 1. Here in place of x naught, if I take 4y naught square, 8y naught square is 9, so 72. Y naught is when y naught is 3, x naught becomes minus 6. X naught becomes 6. So in both the cases, answer is 3. Here, S is equivalence. Equivalence means reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. So reflexive property set of all ordered pairs for all A belongs to A. A comma A is there in relation, B is a reflexive. So whenever AB is there in relation, BA must be there. Whenever AB and BC are there in R, AC must be there in R. So here this set 1, 2, 3, 4 appears to be reflexive 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. All these elements must be there in the relation. So these elements must be added to this set. To have a symmetric property, since 1, 2 is there, 2, 3 is there, 3, 2 must be there, 3, 4 is there, 4, 3 must be. So for satisfying reflexive property. Now, if you consider 3, 2 and 2, 1, so AB and BC, AC must be there, 3, 1 must be there, 4, 3 and 3, 2, 3, 2 must be there. When 3, 1 is there, so to satisfy symmetric, 1, 3 must be there. 3, 2 is there, to satisfy symmetric, 2, 3 must be there. So totally 4 plus 3 plus 4, 11 elements must be added to satisfy reflexive property, the equivalence relation. So balls are identical. Number of ways in which one or more bar will be selected. Here it is just direct answer I can write, but to understand it, suppose two maths books, one physics book is there. You have to select one or more. So I'll write like this. So here M0, P0. You are not selecting any books. You are selecting one book. You are selecting one maths book, one maths and one physics, two maths and zero physics, two maths and one physics. Totally 6 possibilities are there. Out of this, in this case, you are not selecting any book. You are also like this. 2 maths means 3 possibilities. 10 white balls, 11 possibilities. 9 green, 7 black, but not selecting white, green, black, that you have to remove. Let us assume real part of z. Z if you take it as x plus iy. So x plus y is 3. The real part of z square means x square y. This we have to make it subject to have a maximum for it. 3 minus x. So f of x is 3x square minus x cube. F dash x so x here is 0 comma f double dash x will be at the 0 x equal to 2 f double dash 2 negative means at x2 function has maximum. So function is 4 into 3 minus 2. Maximum value is 4. Variance of n consecutive natural numbers variance of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 16 minus 1, 24 is 2. And variance of kx, k square times variance of x, so here to find out variance of this, you multiply this each variable with 2, you get this. So variance of 2x is, that is 4 into 2, 8. Here, area bounded by function. Suppose it's not related to this problem. Find its inverse mean, we will assume y. We can write f inverse x as, but here in this problem, if you assume x plus sin x as y, here easily I am able to express x in terms of y. Here I can't express x in terms of y. Then in such case, without finding inverse, how do we find, without knowing curve equation, area between them? Yes, here you have a strategy. Suppose x plus sin x graph happens to be like this. Always inverse will be symmetric about y equal to x. So this is y equal to x plus sin x. Inverse graph will be like this. So to find out required area, you find this area and multiply it by it. Between O and A, required area 0, where they intersect means sin x is 0, 0, pi minus pi. First I will make it 0 to pi. Area under x plus sin x minus area under x. So required area 4 into x square units. here PA and PB are two tangents. So C is the center. From this relation, PA square plus CA square by PA square plus CA square is PC by 4PC is, here is 90 degrees. Area will be half into PA into CA, which is nothing but half 4PC, which is 2 times PC, which is also same as half uh, half into CP into AM. For this, take this as a side, it will be height. AM is 4, AB becomes 2AM. That is it. It's a standard one. Sin square 60 minus A. Put A as 10. You get K as 3 by 2. Here mean and median of odd divisors. 3 square into 8 into 5. So forget about 2 cube to have a odd divisors. So odd divisors will be possibilities. Each element of this product 1, 3, 5, 9, 45, 15. 6 divisors are there. Median is obviously even numbers increasing order 14 by 2, 7. And the mean will be sum of all these numbers is nothing but product of this 9, 12, 13 into 6. By there are 6 numbers. Average of mean and median 10 is that. Sum of coefficients means put all variables as Z. 4 minus 2. 2 power 7, right? N is 7. Here, why we should put x, y, z as 1. Suppose a naught square. 1 plus x whole square is there. 1 plus 2x plus x square. Coefficients are this. Put x as 1. Directly you'll get sum of the quotient, which is substituting 1 there. So greatest coefficient is middle term, that is 7C3. So here you have 7 means 8 terms are there, even 7C3 or 7C4 doesn't matter. Both are same. So this problem I will take common. Immediately guessing strategy is difficult, but here it is mod Z1 into mod Z2 into mod Z3. Here I am rationalizing with Z1 bar similarly Z3 bar ZZ bar is mod Z whole square. Z1 into Z1 bar is mod Z1 square, which is 4. Mod Z2 square, which is 9. Mod Z3 square, 16. Z1 bar plus Z2 bar plus, which is Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3. So mod Z bar is same as mod Z.